Welcome to Quick Tech Tips. So you're using GIMP and you want to add some colour to an image. Well, to do that, something called the fuzzy tool is going to be your friend. So navigate to the top left of your screen and find fuzzy select tool, and we're going to click that. And we don't need to worry about anything else. We're just going to click a part of an image we want to colour. So we're going to colour all of Pikachu, and we can see this little line going around him. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the yellow colour. If you don't have this window up on your screen, you probably won't have if you've only just got GIMP. You'll have to go to Windows, Dockable Dialogues, and come down to Colours here. And click that, and that'll bring up this nice little menu here for you. So now we're going to find a shade of yellow. This will do, because we're only going to be just demonstrating, so it's probably going to be the wrong shade of yellow if you're a Pikachu Pokemon fan. So there we go, and we can see the foot and the tail weren't put in that, which we still want them to be yellow, and that's because of the closed line here. So we'll click on the next colour, drag and drop the colour that we just chosen onto it again, and then we want to get the foot as well. So yet again, drag and drop the colour onto that, and there we go. And now let's add some red to the cheeks. So we'll select a cheek here and see the dotted little lines going around. If your image was, say, a drawing and these lines going around weren't all as prominent, you could go and find the pencil paintbrush and select it and maybe draw it on, or you can select the line and change the threshold to either darken it or lighten it, and that'll just help, and that'll help the software be able to just tell the difference between where the line is and ends. So, but you probably won't need to worry about that if you've just got an image from the internet. So let's find a nice shade of red again, drag and drop onto the cheek, select the next cheek, and we will keep on going. And then the mouth will go for maybe a pink, and finally a slightly, say, darker shade, eh? Drag and drop that in there, and that is it. We can then go select by all just to get rid of the dots, and there we go. We have a coloured image. Simple as that.